and I was praying to God for a boyfriend. और आपको पता है कि आपके बॉयफ्रेंड की मॉम बहुत बड़ी डायन है या चुड़ैल है, तो सीमा आंटी बोलती है कॉम्प्रोमाइज करो. It's not a criteria to date or get married to anybody. अन्याय करना पाप है, तो अन्याय सहना भी पाप है. A great philosopher once said, being deeply loved by someone gives you strength, while loving someone deeply gives you courage. Well, these are the matters of the heart. प्यार हुआ, इकरार हुआ, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल? No matter what, where we are and what century we are living in, प्यार की जरूरत जिंदगी में सबको होती है, relationship की जरूरत जिंदगी में सबको होती है, लेकिन आज तक we human beings like you internet, we are clueless with the mysteries of the heart. हमें पता ही नहीं है कि दिल चाहता क्या है, और ये मेरे साथ नहीं है, ये I think बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ है, and in fact youngsters के साथ तो थोड़ा ज्यादा ही है, क्योंकि इतने सारे डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हो गए हैं यार. वी आर लिविंग इन द वर्ल्ड वेयर वी नीड इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन. आई बेट कि हमारे पेरेंट्स के पास कभी भी वो ऑप्शन नहीं था कि दे कुड जस्ट स्वाइप लेफ्ट एंड राइट एंड हैव द होल वर्ल्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ देम टू चूज फ्रॉम. एंड जैसे जैसे जितनी ज्यादा हमारी चॉइसेस बढ़ती है, उतनी ही ज्यादा हमारे कंफ्यूजन्स बढ़ जाते हैं. एंड प्रिसाइसली व्हाई I decided to talk about modern relationships today. Yay! But before we move forward, I want to know आप सब में से कौन कौन है जो अभी relationship में है? If you are in a relationship, write down yes or make a heart. Write that you are in a relationship. और अगर अभी तक आप relationship में नहीं हो तो आप broken heart बना सकते हो, or maybe you can just make the waiting sign कि I'm still waiting to find the one. But how cool is it to find the one? I don't know. I've not found the one. The guests on my show today have found the one, and she seems to be doing great in her relationships. So we are going to talk to her a lot about relationships and what we need to look at when we are getting into a relationship, how to lock the deal, how to seal the deal, how to know this is the one, or even maintain your other relationship, be it the relationships with your family, your parents, your siblings, your spouse, your relatives. वेल टॉपिक बहुत बड़ा है और बातें भी बहुत सारी होंगी. मेरी गेस्ट कौन है ये भी मैं आपको बताऊंगी, बट बिफोर दैट आई वांट टू होल हार्टेडली थैंक द सपोर्ट ऑफ द स्टिच कंपनी. मेरे पास स्टिच कंपनी का ये प्रोडक्ट भी है. यू सी दिस कूल bag which you can carry. This is by the Stitch Company, and they have been supporting the show since a long time. Thank you so much, the Stitch Company, for doing it. The best part is this product is made out of sustainable material, so nothing is harmed on planet Earth. And it is also owned by a woman. So kudos to the woman power, guys. और मैं वोट करके आई आज. क्या आपने वोट किया? ये देख रहे हो आप कितने गंदे तरीके से उन्होंने मेरे हाथ में निशान लगाया है. कितना गंदा, पर ठीक है. आज मैंने वोट किया. I have exercised my right to be an Indian citizen and also my duty to vote. So without further ado, let's start with the topic today. आज की जो मेरी गेस्ट है उनके बारे में मैं आपको बताती हूँ. She is a renowned actress on television. She was Miss India New Zealand, and इनकी परवरिश हुई न्यूजीलैंड में, and from there she was also living in America for some time, and from there she came to India. So इनको बहुत आइडिया है कि अलग अलग कंट्री के लोग कैसे कैसे सोचते हैं, what are the youngsters thinking, what are the kind of relationship people are getting into, and she's also a dear friend. So without further ado, let me welcome my newlywed dear friend Sonia Ayodhya on the show. Sonia, I'm gonna take you live.
Hello. How are you, Sonia?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm even better looking at you. You're looking so pretty. I like you in blue dress.
Thank you. I wore it for you, Akriti.
Oh my God, you're winning my heart already. So Sonia, it's been so long we have spoken. How are you doing? What were you doing in the lockdown? A lot have changed in your life.
Yes, I got married, and right after that lockdown हो गया. तो उसके बाद I was just enjoying. Actually, जैसे मेरी शादी हुई, I was in Italy for a month
not for a month, for 15 days. And फिर मैं आई और मैंने शूट रिज्यूम कर ली अपनी. So I was shooting. उसके बाद फिर लॉकडाउन हो गया. Just 4 दिनों के बाद लॉकडाउन हो गया. तो I was enjoying my life. हम रोज पोकर खेल रहे थे, हम कुकिंग कर रहे थे. You know, first month में कैसे सब restaurants खुल गए थे सबके घर पे. So yes, I did that. So I had a lot of fun.
That's amazing to know, Sonia. अच्छा लग रहा है सुन के कि इतना you got this time. Usually मिलता नहीं है लोगों को शादी के बाद. And I think lockdown is a good thing that happened for you.
Yes. लेकिन of course काम का काफी नुकसान हुआ, you know, with actors, because we work on per days. और जब आप काम नहीं कर रहे हो तो आप अपनी सेविंग्स पे लिव ऑफ कर रहे हो और सेविंग्स ज्यादा वक्त नहीं टिकती है. So एक वो drawback था, but of course, you know, the best part of it was to spend time with your family.
So, Sonia, मैं आपसे ये बात इसलिए डिस्कस करना चाह रही थी about modern relationship, primarily because you have lived in different countries. You know how people in those countries think about relationship. तुम खुद भी relationships में रही हो and you have been good with that. So tell me, like, how all this happened? कैसे आपको मिला आपका husband and you sealed the deal? And what was so different in this relationship that you found?
I think आप हर relationship, जिस भी relationship में होते हो, आपको लगता है maybe this is the one, maybe he is the one, maybe this is it. And but it's not always like that, you know. आप काफी सारी चीजों को you're turning a blind eye to it. काफी कमियों को आप you have to understand कि वो आपका मैच है या नहीं. और वो कैसे आपको पता चलता है जब आप किसी के साथ हो और अगर आपको बहुत एंजाइटी महसूस हो रही है, बहुत डिस्कम्फर्ट महसूस हो रहा है, बहुत सारे ड्रामाज हो रहे हैं, that relationship is obviously toxic or that is not the one for you. वो आप जिंदगी भर वो ड्रामा कैरी ऑन नहीं कर सकते. So how you know कि कि मुझे कैसे पता चला that this guy is the one for me, कि हम हमेशा reconcile कर लेते थे, हमारी problems fix कर लेते थे. हम, by the way, the answer to your question, हम एक set पे मिले थे. I was shooting and he was there on set. और मुझे लगा वो कोई काम करता है वहाँ पर set पे. So of course मैंने उससे कोई इतनी दोस्ती या कोई बात नहीं की. But next day I think सुबह हमने 6 बजे पैकअप किया and I was like, oh God, मेरे को कोई ड्राइवर नहीं आ रहा है, कैब नहीं मिल रही है. So he dropped me and on the way हमने बहुत बातें की और हमारी दोस्ती हो गई. And after 6 months of knowing each other, we started to date each other. And what I told him was कि मैं I'm done with dating. मुझे कुछ concrete चाहिए अपनी life में. I want to get married or I want something permanent. So he was like, okay, for 6 months हमने एक दूसरे को जाना. And then for 2 more years we were in a relationship. फिर हमने शादी की.
It's so amazing. So you had like 3 years of a courtship period before you got married.
2 years? Yeah, 2 years.
2 years. 2 years. Nice, yeah. So हमें भी थोड़ा दो यार यहाँ पे suggestion. Because see मैं बताऊँ क्या problem चल रहा है. देखो problem ये है कि it's so easy to find someone. And बात ये है कि आप easily मिल तो जाते हो, but then you always have something in the back of your head कि इसके बाद वाला better हुआ तो, इसके बाद वाला और अच्छा हुआ तो, okay, maybe things are not working out, maybe you can swipe someone else. So there is a lot of dilemma, and I'm not saying this, I've done a research on it, और मैंने देखा कि relationships ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आज की डेट में बहुत fragile होते जा रहे हैं.
That is because आप committed नहीं हो. आपको हमेशा you're looking forward to something next. What next? What next? And अगर आप वही करते रहोगे तो आप वही करते रह जाओगे. You have to be like, okay, you know what? Is this guy what I want? क्योंकि हर लड़की की अलग ख्वाहिशें होती हैं. मुझे एक बहुत ही humorous लड़का चाहिए था जो बहुत funny हो, who's fun to be with. Some girls don't want that. Some girls are not okay with that. उनको कोई बहुत serious और बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ अलग चाहिए. So if you find somebody who fits your bill, even if it's 19-20 का फर्क, work on it, fix it. Because कोई आपको platter पे नहीं मिलेगा. You will always have to fix your equation with the guy, and you always have to work on it. So with me and Harsh, it's the same. We always work on our problems. Um, there's no perfect relationship. There's no perfect guy. And it's not always about कि मुझे perfect guy चाहिए. आप खुद क्या हो? What are you
Yeah.
bringing into his life? And of course, वो तो, you know, nowadays we all have demands, like not just girls but even guys कि मुझे perfect लड़की चाहिए. आप क्या करने वाले हो उसके लिए? So it should be balanced, really. You know, you have to look at it that way.
Yeah. एब्सोल्युटली एंड आपने कहा कि हर रिलेशनशिप में एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है. अब मैं तो द ग्रेट इंडियन वेडिंग देखी है मैंने जो नेटफ्लिक्स पे शो आया. सीमा आंटी बोलती है कॉम्प्रोमाइज करो. नाउ आई कॉम्प्रोमाइज.
Compromise
हाँ.
and adjustment सबसे गलत word है. Why do you have to compromise and why do you have to adjust? You can, you know, it's a very, मुझे ये बहुत negative words लगते हैं, to be honest. You know, I could be wrong, मेरा perception हो सकता है, but मुझे बहुत negative words लगते हैं. I feel marriage is a lot of love. Of course, there has to be love. That's the first thing. Compatibility. अगर आप में compatibility है आप दोनों में, तो there's no compromising and adjusting. Where is compromise and adjusting? I don't get it. अगर आप दोनों काफी सिमिलर हो, कंपैटिबल हो, तो इन सब चीजें बहुत कम हो जाती हैं. You know, there's always a level कि आप इतना compromise कर रहे हो. You can always minimize it. You know, I am married now. मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे कुछ compromise या adjust करना पड़ा. Also because मेरे mind में नहीं था. अगर आप अपने mind में ऐसे सोच के रखोगे कि oh my god अब ये हो गया तो अब मुझे ऐसे behave करना है. No, I don't think it changes anything in your life. I used to live with Harsh before we got married. So मेरे लिए कुछ ऐसा change नहीं हुआ शादी के बाद. So I think compatibility बहुत जरूरी है आपके partner के साथ. तो वो compromise adjustment का quotient बहुत कम हो जाता है.
आई टोटली अग्री विद यू. मैंने तो वो सीमा आंटी का शो जब से उसने ये बोलना शुरू किया मैंने बंद कर दिया देखना. मैं कहा व्हाई शुड आई कॉम्प्रोमाइज. आई मीन आई वुड डू इट क्योंकि मैं करना चाहती हूँ दूसरे के लिए. आई थिंक it is something which should be replaced with love because I love the person so much. I want to do things for him, not because ठीक है भाई चलाना है गाड़ी चलनी चाहिए तो compromise कर लो बैठ जाओ.
Exactly. Never settle for anything less than you deserve. And even if, मतलब, I just feel it should be a fair relationship. It shouldn't always be कि I'm repeating myself maybe, but आजकल मैं यही देख रही हूँ कि लोग ये नहीं कर रहे हैं. They're always like कि ये मेरे लिए ऐसा करना चाहिए, ये मेरे लिए ऐसा होना चाहिए. He should be like this, he should be like that. But I think it should be a balanced relationship. हम इतनी quality की बात करते हैं, तो हमें वो दिखाना भी चाहिए अपने relationships में भी, अपनी friendships में भी, अपनी किसी के साथ भी आपकी equation में. You know? It should always be like this.
बोलते हैं ना एक्शन स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड्स.
Yes.
सो अपने एक्शन में दिखाओ भाई आप हो ध्यान रखते हो किसी का. एंड इट कैन बी इन एनी रिलेशनशिप, नॉट नेसेसरीली अ लव रिलेशनशिप. इवन पेरेंट्स के साथ भी लोग दिखाते नहीं है, बस बोलते हैं कि हाँ मम्मा आई लव यू, बट देन यू नो मे बी यू कैन कुक फॉर हर वन डे, गिव हर अ लीव एंड शी विल बी सो हैप्पी दैट डे.
Same with guys, like शादी में they tell you, oh I love you, I can do this for you, but I don't want these sweet words. Like just do it, you know, show it to me. That's needed.
Yeah, so Sonia, you recently got married. उससे पहले you were single. You have seen the single life, and now you're married. You're seeing the married life. What is the difference? मैं सबसे पूछती हूँ ये बात. मुझे बहुत inquisitive होता है पूछने को.
See, I am not a very good person when I am single. I'm very anxious, which is a wrong thing. It just means I'm not healed, and I can't be by myself. I'm very dependent. On the other hand, Harsh is not like that. Harsh बहुत ही ज़्यादा self-sufficient है. उसे ज़रूरत नहीं होती कि एक relationship हो या, you know. But I am the opposite. I like having my partner with me, and we do battle that sometimes. You know, we are still trying to figure that aspect of our relationship. Okay, how much time spent together is enough for me and enough for you, because उसके लिए मेरे साथ 2 घंटे भी enough है और मेरे लिए उसके साथ 5 घंटे भी enough नहीं है, because that's just who I am, right?
Yeah.
But sorry, what was your question again?
I was asking that you have seen both part of the lives. So What is the difference?
So yeah, so I think it's very different. Single जब आप होते हो तो you are just doing everything on your own, and when you have somebody, there's a lot of emotional support that's there. You know, like also mentally, I'm much more relaxed. Half of the shit
Yeah.
is in your head कि आप single हो तो मतलब आपको अजीब ही feel हो रहा है. Now a lot of times I'm busy working, you know, but I come back to Harsh, and that is my satisfaction. Okay, yeah, I have somebody. वही चीज
Yeah.
single होके करती थी तो I used to be upset. So I feel it's good to have to be in a relationship. I love being in a relationship. I've always been a relationship girl. Yeah, I've been single. I've never been single in my life. I've been single max for 7-8 months, and I was praying to God for a boyfriend. And that, oh God, I'm based on, I'm like tired alone. But hats off to you, Avriti. You're doing well.
4 years and counting.
What? No way. Wow, guys. Talia.
Yeah. I also feel that, you know, when you're single for so long, you're comfortable in that space. Then opening up that space for someone else in your life becomes a little difficult. And I think I am going through that phase.
Yes.
कि मैं अपने खुद के तरीकों में इतना ज़्यादा comfortable हूँ कि मुझे पता है मेरी ज़िंदगी ऐसी है, this is my timing, this is my family, this is my house. So that area of that space which should be open for somebody to enter is not there right now. तो मैं work कर रही हूँ उस पे.
But it'll happen. Don't like try for it. जो होना होता है वो अपने आप होता है. Like मुझे शादी कब से करनी थी? Since I was 21, I wanted to get married, and I did it, and that's the best thing that ever happened to me. Because आपको नहीं पता that the universe knows कि आप कब ready हो to receive that love in your life. You know, when you're ready, आपको तभी ही मिलेगा. So don't like wait for it. It'll just happen one day, and you'll be surprised.
I know. I am waiting to be surprised one day. But you've seen me when I was in a relationship. I think we became friends then, and it's been a long journey for us, for both of us. And I'm so proud of you, dude. I'm really proud of you. You've done great in life.
I just thought that okay, I'm enough of relationships. Let's take the next step. Let's get married.
Yeah.
Let's not waste. मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा बुरा ये लगता है when a relationship ends, and especially when my relationship would end, even if it was a very fickle relationship, मुझे लगता था मेरा time waste हुआ है. A lot of my time has gone with that person, and I will never get that back. So for me, relationship is, you know, relationships that mean nothing are a waste of time.
Absolutely.
I still feel bad for the time that I've wasted on some people. I wish I could get it back, you know. So yeah, that's what
Yeah, relationship do require time, energy, and I think that is another reason why I'm single, because I don't want to waste my time on somebody who does not deserve it. It requires a lot of time. I would be doing something else, you know, maybe finishing up some of my tasks while I'm wasting my time with someone.
Exactly. But what you can do is get to know somebody as a friend. You know, and if that person really likes you, he's not gonna push you and say shit like, you know, कि नहीं मुझे तो आपके बॉयफ्रेंड बनना है and stuff like that. ये सब बहुत बचपन में होता है, बहुत immature लोग करते हैं. So I feel when two people like each other, they're gonna love your friendship, and if he is serious about you, he will say yes. Okay, let's get to know each other. Yes, if this has to get somewhere, you know, we will start dating naturally, not by pushing each other, not by forcing you to, you know, just become my girlfriend. So हम देखेंगे हम शादी कर सकते हैं या नहीं. वो सारे relationships are a waste of time. That's a sign. You ask me before you.
Absolutely. I'm going to ask you before I'm going to seal the deal on anyone.
Yeah, do that.
You give me my personal guide. अच्छा सॉरी, अभी क्या होता है कि हम इंडिया में रहते हैं, तो इंडिया में लड़कियों के ऊपर ऑलरेडी बहुत सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज होती हैं, सोसाइटल प्रेशर्स होते हैं. सो बीइंग अ सिंगल गर्ल, व्हाट वर द काइंड ऑफ सोसाइटल प्रेशर्स दैट यू वर डीलिंग विद, एंड हाउ दे हैव चेंज्ड आफ्टर गेटिंग मैरिड?
I think people would look at me with minimal respect. कि single है, तो obviously and I was modeling, तो I think लोग आपको कम respect से देखते हैं, which is really sad. Okay, वही चीज men face नहीं करते, right? Because they start to question your character. They start, just because आप party कर रहे हो, आप drink कर रहे हो, you're automatically a bad woman and a woman of bad character. You know what I'm saying? तो वो यहाँ पे आपको face करना पड़ता है. Now that I am married, I have, like I was telling you the other day, I just have a lot more respect, which is so bizarre. It is so bizarre. Maybe अब मैं बुरी लड़की बन गई हूँ. Maybe तब मैं अच्छी थी. You know, you can never care about what the society thinks of you or about you or of your lifestyle, क्योंकि उनका काम ही है सोचना. You know, you can change it. You can change it, and इसमें आपकी फैमिली के सपोर्ट का बहुत बड़ा रोल है. Your family has to support you through it, and you can convince them to support you. So I faced a lot of that when I was single and I was working, and I was working a lot. I was shooting every single day. I've been very blessed in that context of my life. But हाँ, मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ा कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं, क्या. मुझे अब भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता लोग मेरे बारे में क्या कहते हैं, क्या सोचते हैं. मुझे जो करना है मैं वही करती हूँ, और मुझे लगता है हर लड़की को ऐसे ही डील करना चाहिए. बिकॉज इफ यू स्टार्ट केयरिंग कि आपके बारे में लोग क्या सोचते हैं, आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे लाइफ में. आप घर पे बैठ जाओ एंड जस्ट लॉक योर डोर एंड स्टे एट होम, स्टे अंडर योर ब्लैंकेट. तब आपके बारे में लोग बोलना बंद कर देंगे. You know,
right.
That's the only time they will stop talking about you.
Then also they will not stop talking. Then also they will have something to say. इसने चादर ऐसे उल्टा क्यों ओढ़ा है, इसने पूरा क्यों ओढ़ा है.
Yes. That is society for you. So मुझे तब भी फर्क नहीं पड़ा था, और जब मैं शादी भी कर रही थी तो मुझे सब कह रहे थे कि अब क्यों कर रही हो. तब जब मैं सिंगल थी तो लोग कहते थे यू नो कब करना है, क्या करना है. बट ऑब्वियसली मैंने बहुत my shadi was a surprise to everybody. I'm sure even you were surprised. You're like,
yes,
right? Everybody was surprised, and that's just how I roll. I don't care कि लोग क्या deem करते हैं कि मेरी age कब है शादी की. You know, I've never cared about anything, even about these things. So I just did it. I thought Harsh proposed to me in July on my birthday. Him and his family, they took me on a surprise trip. They told me I'm Goa जा रहे हैं, and on the airport I found out कि I'm Maldives जा रहे हैं. You know?
Oh,
I know,
okay.
It's beautiful. And then on my birthday, he asked me, he popped the question, right? He asked me, will you marry me? And I was frozen. Because
I am getting frozen right now.
Yeah.
Listening to this stuff. Give us details. कैसे किया उसने?
So
How did he pop the question?
yeah, so like I said, मेरा birthday आ रहा था, and he was like, okay, we'll go away for your birthday, and all of us, him and his family, we went to Maldives, and so on my birthday night, on the birthday eve, he said कि अब सिर्फ तुम और मैं dinner पे जा रहे हैं. I was like, where's everybody? You know? He said, no, it's just me and you tonight, and so it was a beach setup. Oh my god, I can't believe this happened. It was a beach setup, and there was this big heart. और उसके बीच में dinner table था, and we were eating, and suddenly he goes, I want to ask you something, and I was like, no, I'm not ready.
Oh my god. Yeah.
I was just crying because number one, मैंने नहीं सोचा था हर्ष इतना romantic कभी हो सकता है अपने life में. तो एक तो वो shock था that how of all the people, how could Harsh come up with something like this? You know, I never thought he could ever do that ever in my life. It was a surprise. So and ठीक है, वो तो ठीक था. He proposed to me, लेकिन उसने मुझे कहा let's get married in December. My birthday is in July. Okay.
Yeah, just 6 months.
And I was like, December? Are you sure? December's like here. Just abhi aa jayega. December will just blink and December aa jayega. And he's like, yeah, I want it to be this year. But thank God for that. Uske baad lockdown ho gaya, 2020.
Huh.
And I would not have wanted my shadi ka year to be 2020. So So it was
Yeah.
a blessing that he said, let's get married in December. And हमने जल्दी कैसे सब कुछ हो गया. I just still don't know. My wedding was a fairy tale, and I don't know how it just happened. It was meant to be, I guess. It just, yeah, I'm very
And I think
grateful.
it's the best thing that has happened to you because I see you growing so much after your wedding. You have this nice glow on your face, which you had before also, but now it's all the more better. You look pretty. You are in wonderful shape. You're doing good work.
You know, a
So I
lot
think
of
it's all the Shadi ka after effect.
no, you know, it's not Shadi. I feel it's Harsh. It is the kind of man I got married to. Harsh was somebody, and this is very rare, you know, Kriti. I don't think I've said this to you because मैं मजाक में उसका इतना मजाक उड़ाती हूँ that I forget to highlight his beautiful points. You know, he has always been so supportive of my work. You know, I used to tell him I want to get married, and he was like, "No, you have such potential. You can be an actor. Do this, do that." And I was like, go on audition, go on itni mehnat kar rahe." But I did it because he used to push me. He used to push me to, you know, to my highest of potential. He used to be like, "Ye karo, wo karo, wo karo." And even after shadi, he used to be like, you know, you should stay fit क्योंकि आपका काम ऐसा ही है. So I think a lot of credit goes to Harsh. It really matters आप किससे शादी कर रहे हो. So you should have that. I feel like he's my biggest fan. He pushes me to do the best, and that's the kind of person you should get married to. जो आपके मेरे तो ये dreams भी नहीं थे to become an actor or anything. I always wanted to just get married, but it's a bonus that I married somebody who likes the fact that I am busy and I'm working and I'm off his back. So it's a blessing.
You're lucky to have found someone like that. I think any good relationship is with a person who should be your true cheerleader. Your partner should be your cheerleader, supporting you, pushing you to do the best and achieve the best of your potential.
Yes.
And you're lucky to find that. I hope everybody who's watching should also find someone like that.
Yes.
Who is there standing for their support, because शादी दो लोगों को साथ में grow करने का नाम है. आप
Yes.
एक दो साल के लिए साथ में नहीं हो, you're together forever.
Yes, and that's what I want to say to everybody, that don't just go for a guy who is very handsome और आपको बहुत appeal कर रहा है कि वो इतना hot है, इतना, you know, sexually appealing है. That's a wrong way to look at. That's not a criteria to date or get married to anybody. Looks come last for me. मेरे लिए सबसे पहले character and the kind of person he is with me, because I am signing for a lifetime.
Right.
His looks will fade, my looks will fade. It's really just the deepest connection, you know, and you would know that, Akriti, because you've seen me in other relationships as well, where I was so dumb. You know, we've all been shallow, and we have to grow from that and see the real beauty of a person before you get married to them or even get into a relationship, you know. So
Totally. And this kind of an understanding also comes with maturity, with age, with time. And I think
Experience.
those bad experiences are also important. जरूरी है.
बहुत
जब तक
ज़्यादा.
ठोकर नहीं पड़ेगी तब तक कैसे पता चलेगा कि यही सही है.
Yes, true.
It's said no, you have to kiss 1,000 frogs in order to find one man.
Kiss as many as you want.
Probably I've not touched the mark.
Neither have I, thankfully.
1,000. Oh, a long way to go.
But why not? Enjoy it while you can. And I think this phase, after one heartbreak, you know, you become stronger, and you're like, okay, you know, I will not let this affect me to that magnitude where I have to start from scratch. And you just become more practical through your experiences. So I did become practical, and then when Harsh happened, I was like, you know what, I need to be more serious about this and just seal the deal. And if this is not it, then let's not even get into a relationship. As friends, we'll just, you know, break our friendship, and I don't want to go through that relationship mess. So I saved myself a good few years.
Nice. That's really amazing that you're in a good relationship and everything is going well. But you know, in this lockdown, आपके साथ तो अच्छा हुआ, लेकिन हमने वर्ल्ड ट्रेंड में देखा है कि बहुत सारी लेडीज के ऊपर, विमेन के ऊपर डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के केसेस बढ़ गए. उनके ऊपर बहुत सारा, आई मीन यूएस के स्टैटिस्टिक्स है, इंडिया के स्टैटिस्टिक्स है, इनफैक्ट पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये स्टैटिस्टिक्स है कि विमेन के ऊपर जो असॉल्ट हुए हैं, उनके ऊपर अत्याचार हुए हैं, वो और बढ़ गए हैं. तो ऐसी विमेन को इफ यू वुड लाइक टू गिव सम एडवाइस
I think
फॉर डीलिंग विद इट.
मैंने पूरी भगवत गीता तो नहीं पढ़ी है, बट भगवत गीता में कुछ बहुत ही इम्पैक्टफुल और अच्छे कोट्स हैं जिनको मैं हमेशा अपनी लाइफ में यूज करती हूँ. एक कोट ये है कि अगर अन्याय करना पाप है तो अन्याय सहना भी पाप है. You know, if you are going through something bad in your life, आप अगर आवाज नहीं उठा रहे हो तो वो sin है. It's wrong. You have to fight back. You have to stand up for yourself and you have to say no. ये तो हमारे हिंदुइज्म में ही सिखाया गया है. You know? तो जब भी आपको लग रहा है कि आपके साथ बुरा हो रहा है, आप इसको इस तरह से देखिए कि इसमें मेरी भी गलती है कि मैं आवाज नहीं उठा रही हूँ. You have to speak up. You have to fight back. You have to be strong. And yes, for some of us, it takes a long time to gather that courage, to muster that courage, and to speak up, because हर लड़की इतनी strong नहीं होती है. You know, it takes time to get there, but you will get there, and you have to find that courage. You have it in you. You know, if that's the only way. जैसे अगर मुझे कोई कैद में किसी ने रखा है और मुझे कोई मार रहा है, तो I have to tell people, I have to seek help, I have to fight back. सबकी situations अलग होंगी, I'm sure, and I can't speak for everybody, but this is my message, and this is the Bhagavad Gita quote that comes to my mind when I hear of these things. But it was really sad when सुना था कि जो कोरोना वायरस की हेल्पलाइन थी उसमें सबसे ज्यादा कॉल्स डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस के आ रहे थे, and it really breaks my heart. Nobody deserves that, you know.
बहुत बड़ी लोगों की पोल पटिया भी खुल गई है. एक तो मैंने केस सुना था, some I don't know, friends of friends, somebody, I heard this case that a man had 3 different families and he was running it with 3 families not knowing about each other, and in the lockdown everybody got to know about everyone. So quite a funny incident.
Oh my God.
But yeah, you're right. खुद के लिए स्टैंड लेना बहुत जरूरी है. और मैं जितनी भी लड़कियां देख रही हैं, जितने भी इनफैक्ट लड़के भी देख रहे हैं, इफ यू आर इन अ रिलेशनशिप और इफ यू आर इन अ स्पेस जहाँ पे आपको लगता है कि आप कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो और यू आर नॉट ग्रोइंग टू द फुलेस्ट ऑफ योर पोटेंशियल, देन टेक अ स्टैंड. एज सोनिया सेड, टेक अ स्टैंड, क्योंकि जब तक आप नहीं लोगे कोई और नहीं आने वाला है आपके लिए स्टैंड लेने के लिए.
Also, Akriti, मुझे लगता है stop pitying yourself. अपने ऊपर दया करना छोड़ो and fight that situation. अब और सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज मुझे ये लगती है कि अपनी बातें शेयर करो. Don't suffer in silence. मेरे साथ अगर कुछ भी बुरा होता है, I have a best friend जिसे मैं बोलूंगी, जो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंट है. Anybody, आपको अपनी बातें शेयर करनी है. और कई लड़कियां, जैसे मैं भी अपने पेरेंट्स से, मेरे तो इस सिचुएशन में मैं आती ही नहीं हूँ, बट everybody goes through a little something. And हम अवॉइड करते हैं हमारे पेरेंट्स को बताने के लिए, because we don't want to hurt them, we don't want to give them more stress. So what you can do is share it with your friends, share it with your best friend, share it with your neighbor. Tell them कि आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है, गलत हो रहा है, कोई आपको मार रहा है. The authorities should know आपके साथ काफी टाइम से कुछ भी गलत हो रहा है. तो मुझे लगता है बात करना बहुत जरूरी है, और आजकल आपके पास बहुत प्लेटफॉर्म्स भी हैं.
बिल्कुल, बात करना बहुत जरूरी है और कॉन्वर्सेशन की इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस है. उसी को सोच के मैंने शो का नाम भी वार्तालाप रखा, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि चाहे कोई भी सिचुएशन हो आपकी जिंदगी में, आप एक बात करना शुरू कीजिए और उससे आप उस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकल सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Yeah, so this is amazing. Yeah, Sonia, you've grown a lot as a person, you've grown a lot as a woman, and I see a matured version of you, and I'm so proud to see you like this.
Thank you, Akriti.
And I'm glad that you could take our time for doing this session with me. Before we go, can you give one advice to women out there and one advice to the man who are seeking relationships?
Yeah, to all the women out there, stop being so shallow and stop being obsessed with all these unrealistic body images and men out there. Okay, you know, your husband has to be Hrithik Roshan and that. Stop putting that pressure on men. And the same advice for all the men out there: stop putting that pressure on women with your unrealistic body images and unrealistic. Image of a BV. Stop looking for a mother in your BV. She's your BV and she's not your mom. That is one
Yeah.
advice I would like to give all the men. That understand वो भी किसी के घर से आती है and treat her like your partner. Treat her like your, if not superior to you, then be even. Both of you. You know, I don't like to be too much of a feminist, but yes, I am one. I'd like to think, but मुझे अगर लगता है कि हम equality की बात करते हैं तो men should also understand that. And even the families, you know, the guy has the power to convince the family as to
Right.
how your relationship is going to be and how your marriage is going to be. So, yeah, ये सब hero वाले images बंद करो and be realistic and love people for who they are as a person, and
Right.
how compatible you are is what matters. है ना? मैंने यही कहा था अपने live chat session में भी.
एकदम सही एडवाइस है. रिलेशनशिप, चलिए अभी तक तो हम बात कर रहे थे एक लड़के और एक लड़की के रिलेशनशिप के लिए, लेकिन शादी के बाद और भी तो कितने नए सारे रिलेशनशिप जुड़ते हैं. एंड सबसे बड़ा एक जो प्रॉब्लम मैंने देखा है, ये मेरे खुद के फैमिली में भी मैंने देखा है और भी जगह विद माय फ्रेंड्स हैव सीन, स्पेशली द गाइज, वो एक अजीब सी सिचुएशन में आ जाते हैं बिकॉज अंटिल नाउ आपकी मम्मी आपकी सब कुछ थी, अब यू हैव अ लाइफ पार्टनर एंड देन दे स्ट्रगल टू फाइंड दैट बैलेंस कि दोनों को मैं इक्वल इंपॉर्टेंस कैसे दूं.
Yes.
और कभी कभी माँ भी नहीं समझती है, फिर उसे फिर बहू से प्रॉब्लम होती है और ये सब चीजें जो आई डोंट नो इफ यू आर फेसिंग इट, आई डोंट इवन थिंक यू आर फेसिंग इट बिकॉज यू आर इन अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ फैमिली, बट नॉर्मल जगह ये स्ट्रगल देख रहे हैं लड़के लड़कियां भी.
Yes. Actually, ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने नहीं देखा है. I have my moments, and I fight it with grace. And you can always deal with it together. And बात करके सब कुछ सॉल्व हो जाता है लाइफ में. ये सिचुएशन सबके लिए नहीं होती है. It's new to everybody. There's a new member in the house, and everybody is going to act like आप पे कभी-कभी आप पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करेंगे. जैसे जब मेरी शादी हुई थी तो मुझे काफी नाम दिए गए थे कि oh she's a gold digger, oh she's marrying him for this, oh she's marrying him for that, and people had that notion in their head, and they would treat me like that, you know. लेकिन I took it with you know, मुझे बहुत funny लगा वो situation. I was very strong. That I was hurt as well, of course. I'd be lying कि मुझे बुरा नहीं लगा जब मैंने ऐसे comments पढ़े, and I am not afraid to face that anymore. Because one thing, अगर आपको कुछ पता है कि आपने ये शादी क्यों किया, आपने प्यार से की है या क्या की है, तो आप उसको आप you will deal with it, you'll fight it. So when that happened to me, I was like, okay, that's what you think. How can I change that? And even if how do I change that? I can't change it. People will think and people will say what they want to say. So a lot was said about me even after I got married, but I didn't let that get to me, because like I said, Harsh was always very supportive of me, and your husband's support is very important, you know. And yeah, there were times when we would have tiffs at home, and people would think that he's listening to me more than you know, his mother. But we would sit and talk it out. We would solve it. And that's what families do, Akriti. You know, that's what all families should do. You know, जो आपके घर में वो भी एक बेटी है, वो कोई मॉन्स्टर नहीं है, वो आपसे नफरत नहीं करती. और लड़कियों की भी इंटेंशंस वैसी ही होनी चाहिए. आपको भी उन्हें पेरेंट्स की तरह ही ट्रीट करना चाहिए, like your own. It, like I said, it works both ways. You know. But what I have learned in my marriage is that I like to keep my husband in the loop. I don't want to fight with him after 5 years and tell him, okay, I didn't tell you this. This is what happened with me 5 years ago. And he's going to be like, why are you telling me this now? That's why I said speak up. speak up, and know how to behave, know what to talk, know how to fix things, always be open to fixing a problem, you know. So I think, yeah, and also, you know, in our culture we say कि वो बड़े हैं तो थोड़ा आप समझो. मैं वो काफी हद तक मानती हूँ, बट काफी हद तक मुझे लगता है कि जस्ट बिकॉज कोई बड़ा है इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी कि मुझे थप्पड़ मार के चला जाएगा, है ना.
सही बात है.
है ना.
हाँ.
ये थोड़ी कोई बात नहीं कि ठीक है आप 60 साल के हो तो आपने मुझे गालियां दी हैं. Now how do I respect that? I will not respect that. I will not tolerate that. So it's really just you drawing your boundaries and also making sure you are not disrespecting somebody. You have to do it very gracefully, and it comes with time. You learn with time. You either
Yeah.
learn it or you don't learn it. It's सबकी अपनी journey होती है, you know. So I've learned it, I guess.
I think you have. You didn't even have to learn it. You already knew it since the beginning. You were good with people. You had a lot of friends. And when you have a lot of friends, it just shows that you're a nice person. क्योंकि सबके नहीं होते इतने सारे दोस्त.
I also love families. मुझे families बहुत पसंद है. मुझे बहुत पसंद है to have that good bond, you know, with your own family. जो लोगों ने lockdown में सीखा. People are always seeking that outside. To have that within your own house, इसमें काफी ये भी problem है कि कुछ parents कुछ ज़्यादा ही strict होते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं था. हर्ष के parents बहुत ही chill हैं, and I can joke with them, I can laugh with them, I can do anything. So it was actually fun to be locked with them. But of course 6 months के बाद तो थोड़ा वो हो जाता है. Then you need a break.
Okay, Sonia, it was actually great talking to you and बहुत सारे अच्छे अच्छे insight भी मिले. I'm sure जो लड़कियां देख रही है, जो लड़के देख रहे हैं, उन्हें भी समझ आएगा कि this is what a modern woman thinks about relationship. और एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती, दोनों हाथ बजाने पड़ते हैं, दोनों को काम करना पड़ेगा, तभी एक relationship अच्छा बनेगा.
Yes.
And yeah, you're amazing, man.
This was such a fun time.
And one big takeaway from this entire conversation is that कोई भी तकलीफ हो, परेशानी हो, प्रॉब्लम हो, बात करो.
बात करो.
चाहे खुद के लिए, चाहे दूसरों के लिए, चाहे परिवार में, बात करो, क्योंकि बात करने से ही आपकी एक मेंटल स्टेट भी सही रहेगी और आपकी प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व होगी.
Yes, because if you suppress, वो भी result करती है एक mental disorder में. You know, if you just keep quiet and if you keep suffering in silence, that's why I always talk. I fight. It's okay to fight. It's normal. आपका mental balance रहेगा उससे. It's not wrong. So yeah.
जितना भी आप फील कर रहे हो वो सब भी एनर्जीज हैं और वो अंदर ही अंदर फिर आप रखोगे, किसी से बात नहीं करोगे, सो योर एनर्जी विल नॉट फील एन आउटलेट. तो क्या होगा कि वो अंदर ही अंदर आपको ही डिमोलिश करने लग जाएगी.
बिल्कुल सही.
सो दैट्स व्हाई talking is important. And also शादी के बाद भी, even if you have a boyfriend or any relationship, it's important to have a best friend. जैसा कि सोनिया तुमने भी कहा कि उस फ्रेंड, आप एक हस्बैंड से या एक बॉयफ्रेंड से हर चीज दुनिया की एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हो.
Yes.
वो भी एक इंसान है. So you need to have someone else to, you know, talk and discuss everything. A confidant, as you said.
Yes, yes. And किसी का comment था कि परिवार को समझना चाहिए. ये बहुत अच्छा comment है. मैं अपने परिवार के साथ रहती हूँ, अपने इन-लॉज के साथ रहती हूँ और लोग मुझे हमेशा कहते हैं कि why do you do that and how does it work? I think it has its drawbacks, but it also has its advantages. Like during the lockdown, I can't imagine myself just being stuck with Harsh. I had so many people in my own house to talk to. You know, that was the beauty of it. And वो अच्छा इसलिए था क्योंकि मेरा परिवार मेरे मेंटल लेवल पे है, हमारी वेवलेंथ मैच करती है. तो अगर आपको पता है कि आपके बॉयफ्रेंड की मॉम बहुत बड़ी डायन है या चुड़ैल है, तो उससे शादी मत करना. बिकॉज yes, it's true. वो आपकी लाइफ बर्बाद कर देंगी.
Great conversations going on. Sonia, hello. I'm so happy to see you again.
So I was just saying that, you know, if you realize that there's a problem in the guy's family and आपकी family के साथ wavelength match नहीं होती है, talk it out, speak it out, and if it's not going okay just before the शादी, don't get married, because ये रिश्ते ऐसे हैं जो तोड़े नहीं जाते हैं. ये लाइफ टाइम के रिश्ते हैं. सो आपकी मेंटल वेवलेंथ सेम होनी चाहिए. और मैं एक सिटी गर्ल हूँ, मैं एक शहर की लड़की हूँ. मेरी कंडीशनिंग वैसी ही है जो शहर की होगी. मेरी कंडीशनिंग कभी एक विलेजर या एक स्मॉल टाउन के पर्सन से मैच नहीं हो सकती, जो कि नॉर्मल है. यू नो, मेरी अगर जैसे आई मीन ये बहुत सब्जेक्टिव इशू है, लेकिन कुछ स्मॉल टाउन के लोग भी बहुत ओपन माइंडेड होते हैं. दे आर वेरी कूल, दे आर वेरी चिल. लाइक हर कम्स फ्रॉम दिल्ली, इट्स अ सिटी, बट दे आर वेरी ओपन माइंडेड. आई ऑल्सो कम फ्रॉम अ सिटी, इसलिए हमारी वेवलेंथ मैच करती है, हमारी फैमिलीज की वेवलेंथ मैच करती है. बट अगर आप एक स्मॉल टाउन में हो, देयर विल बी डिफरेंट इश्यूज, एंड आप बात करके ही सॉल्व कर सकते हो. एंड इट्स गुड अगर आप शादी से पहले. और मुझे मेरी मॉम ने हमेशा ये कहा था दैट इफ द गाइज मदर डजंट लाइक यू, इट्स नॉट इवन वर्थ योर टाइम. यू नो, डोंट गो देयर.
Totally.
हिंदुस्तान में, इंडिया में.
हाँ, जहाँ पे जॉइंट फैमिली का सिस्टम है, मम्मी के साथ बनना तो बहुत जरूरी है. बना के रखना भी चाहिए, एंड इट गोज बोथ वेज, मम्मी के तरफ से भी और बहू की तरफ
आपकी
से भी.
तरफ से भी, दोनों तरफ से. यस,
बिल्कुल
आई एग्री,
बिल्कुल.
आई एग्री.
Cool, Sonia. So we wish you a very happy and a beautiful, blessed married life. I hope आपकी family ऐसे ही खुश रहे, and you and Harsh make beautiful babies soon.
Oh God, that's like 6 years from now. I'm not even thinking about it.
Okay, 10 years from now, whenever you want. It's your life. You take the decisions, and I'm really happy to see you in a good place. Thank you for doing this session with us.
Thank you, Akriti. I'll see you soon.
You made the 47th episode of Vartalap with Akriti special. Lots of love to you.
Lots of love to you too. Bye.
Thank you for joining in. Bye-bye. So guys, that was the beautiful Sonia Yodhya, and very important one takeaway from this entire conversation was कि कोई भी सिचुएशन हो आपकी जिंदगी की, आप उसे बात करके एक वार्तालाप से सुधार सकते हैं. एंड द सिमिलर कॉन्सेप्ट गोज फॉर वार्तालाप विद आकृति टू, वेयरइन आई गेट हियर एवरी वीकेंड और मैं आपके लिए लेके आती हूँ नए नए टॉपिक विद न्यू गेस्ट, एंड वी ट्राई एंड एक्सप्लोर देयर लाइफ, देयर एक्सपीरियंसेस along with the topics of your choice. So guys, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं आपकी किसी टॉपिक पे वार्तालाप करूं किसी आपके फेवरेट गेस्ट के साथ, तो मुझे डीएम जरूर करना. हमारा शो लाइव होता है इंस्टाग्राम पे, आप इसे देख सकते हैं यूट्यूब पे. इसके साथ साथ द शो इज ऑल्सो अवेलेबल टू हियर ऑन स्पॉटिफाई, एप्पल पॉडकास्ट, गूगल पॉडकास्ट, कास्टबॉक्स, ब्रेकर, एंकर and couple of other places, Radio Public. So yeah, we broadcast on 10 places. Thank you so much for joining in, guys. अगर आपको मैं पसंद आई हूँ तो मुझे follow कर लेना, लेकिन सोनिया को follow तो 100% करना. She's a beautiful girl, and I hope you have a good day, guys. Enjoy, the festivity is coming. It's around the corner. Have a good day, and cheers. Bye.